find your adventure without worrying about the mess. The AstroAI Portable Car Vacuum is your cleaning partner when you're on the go. Simply plug the car vacuum into a cigarette lighter, and a calm blue light will indicate the vacuum is ready to work. The AstroAI Car Vacuum comes equipped with accessory nozzles to tackle everything that dirties your vehicle, from crumbs to pet fur. The brush nozzle is perfect for fine dust and sand, while the flathead hose and extension tube reach deep into crevices and corners. An integrated LED light shines a wide, bright beam to find overlooked messes. It's easy to move the vacuum around the car, either in the garage or outdoors, with flexible cables spanning over 16 feet in length. Keep up the momentum by switching out the filters, or use our included filter brush for effortless cleaning. A convenient bag is included for storage, at home or on the go. The AstroAI Car Vacuum makes cleaning easy, keeping your interiors immaculate for all of life's adventures.